After he left the Jedi Order, Dooku was no longer able to use the Sith holocron in the archives. He now studies holographic cells containing mystic teachings of shadowy power, projector, and cells given by the Sith Master. Dooku reveals the full measure of his dark nature when he casts legendary Sith Lightning. Virtually impossible to deflect, Sith Lightning causes excruciating pain and weakens life. The Jedi possess no exact equivalent to such an evil use of the Force. When the arrival of the Jedi forces spoils his primary plans, Dooku uses one of his several means of escape, a small open cockpit